In this short video, we will discuss how you can combine two queries using query links. This is useful in scenarios where a query is repeated in multiple reports, for example, company info or item dimensions. This link provides the option to maintain and use one central query. You can view all the query links for a particular report by selecting the tab on the action pane. Query links provide better performance than subreports. You can convert existing subreports into query links by navigating to the subreport record in the structure and selecting Tools, then Convert to Query Link. For more information, please visit our guides and knowledge base articles available on our support portal.